guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make sugar cookies with fondant and edible images. We're going to start off by using our cookie cutter, the same cookie cutter that we used for the cookies. This one that I'm using is 2 inches big. We're going to roll out our fondant to the thickness of your liking, and we're going to cut out the fondant. Then we're going to use our edible glue. You can find this glue at Walmart. I purchased mine from Amazon. You can find a link down below in the description box. Now we're going to add our glue to our fondant, and we're going to place the fondant on top of the cookie. I like to make sure that my fondant is completely on the cookie before adding the edible image. The theme for these cookies are crybabies, as you guys seen. Customer wanted a very simple and easy design, so I just went ahead and printed out my design. I honestly don't recommend buying an edible printer, and I say this from experience. If anyone watching this video knows of a good quality, good printer, like a good printer that is worth investing in, please let me know down below. The reason why I don't recommend you getting one is because I have bought 3 and all 3 of them have not worked, like, at all. They get clogged if you don't use them, and even if you use them, because the last printer that I bought I was using constantly, and the ink just got clogged in the printer and your colors won't print out, like, at all. So if you guys know of any printers, please let me know. I will leave down below in the description box the printer that I have bought previously, since it does have good reviews. Apparently it just didn't work for me, I guess, but it might work for you. So if you guys want to purchase it, I will leave it down below in the description box. Now that our cookies have fondant, we're just going to add the image once again by adding the edible glue to the back and placing it on the image. Because the edible image is so thin, make sure you don't add a lot of glue, otherwise your edible image will start to like shrink and fade away. I also forgot to record this part. I did the same thing for the number 1 cookies, just without edible image. And now this was a completely different order. I just wanted to show you guys that you can do the same thing with different shapes, and you can also add letters. If you guys enjoyed this short tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll see you guys later. Adios!